Hello everybody, this is an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra in the color Phantom Navy, as we can see here. Okay, very compact package, the usual stuff. Okay, so obviously I didn't cut it well. Okay, let's give it another try. Okay, there we go. This is the device. Let's put it apart. Of course, in the box is the usual stuff. The SIM eject tool, the usual paper material, quick start guide, warranty card, and of course only a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. No power adapter, you know it. Okay, so let's take a look at the device in this color. Of course, here's the you can see the color here. Camera bump. Get a little bit closer here. So this carbon look profile. Yeah, shall I say, very beautiful design. Very dark, almost, it appears almost like the Phantom Black edition, color edition, but this is because of the lighting here. I've only natural lighting right now. Only artificial lighting. Therefore, yeah. So that's the device. Yeah. Here the sides. Glossy, but there are of course still some stripes here. Okay. Camera does not like to focus right now. Yeah, very good feeling, of course, this matte finish. Yeah, that's it for the moment. Thank you very much, and I'll do some other videos in the future about the device. Yeah, and I hope you will follow my videos, my footage of this wonderful device. Thank you.